All right. Thank you. I appreciate this opportunity. Joarim, welcome to DC, and thank you for this opportunity again. Just two quick things. Majamaria organizer, I'm very happy that you guys were able to accommodate us that don't speak Orominya. Majamaria ፈርቼ ነበረ አይገባኝ ይችላል ብዬ ነበር ግን ምንም አኮሞዴት አድርጋችሁን ሁሉ ነገር ተመከታችን ደስ ብሎኛል። Another thing is ትንሽ ቅር ያለኝ የነበረው ቀድሜ መጥቼ ነበርና I was expecting more familiar faces that I know. Non-Oromo Ethiopians that would attend this event, some politicians, some media people. እነሱ ሳይገኙ ግን ያው በሚዲያ ማቀው አሉላ በአካል ተገናኝተን አናውቅም። ግን እዚህ ጋር በመገኘት ለነገሮችን ለማቀራረብ ያለው ንጹህ እንትን መሆኑ ደስ ይላልና ስለሱ አመሰግናለሁ። ለጀዋር ያለኝ just two questions. አንደኛ what is your hey, this is your day, so are you going to move back to Ethiopia? Or last I understand you're in Nairobi, and will you be moving back to Ethiopia? And the second question is, if you do, the last time you saw an interview where the elections might not happen, that the country's in the brinks of collapsing on its own, the parties. But if we do make it to the next election, will you be organizing some sort of political? I know you're a part of OFECO, but a more inclusive party that includes other prominent politicians. And that's it for now. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Boles.
Akamosan jirtu isin jala isin mara keessaniyu warroonni magaalaa Waashingtan DC kana keessatti argamtan ulfaadhaa guddadhaa warri guyyaadhaa keessattu argamtan hedduu kenna Oromoo ta'uu dadhabnee kan itti cabnee tokko kanaa rakkoon kenna hedduutu jira rakkoo kenna ibsachuu hin dandeenyu rakkoon kenna nama dhibaa kan jedhu irraa kan ka'e waa dubbachuun barbaade gaafii tokkollee Jawaariif nan qaba akkasumas አሉላሌን ያገለተውሙ አመሰግናለሁ አሉላ ለምስጋናችንም ስላረሳ በጣም እናመሰግናለን እኛ ራሳችን አንድ የሚለው ነገር አለኝ ያጫሉ ሞተዋል ጀዋር ይቀራል የተባለበት ጊዜም አለ ያቺ ጊዜም አልፋለች ያጫሉ ወንድማችን ሞቶ ቢለየንም በህይወቱ ቢለየንም ከልባችን ውስጥ ከኦሮሞ ህዝብ ውስጥ መቼም አይወጣም የሱ እውነት እስከሚወጣ ድረስ እኔ በራሴ በኩል በጣም አዝናለሁ እንዲሁም ወንድሞቼ እህቶቼ በጣም እንደምታዝኑ ታውቃለሁ ሌላ ያለኝ ነገር ጀዋር ብሏል እኔም ትንሽ ጨመር አድርጌ ልበል የዛሬ 6 ወር ሀገር ቤት ነበርኩ አሜሪካ ውስጥ የትኛው አካባቢ ነው ተራራ ያለበት ሽፍታ የሚኖርበት አካባቢ ያለ ቦታ ታውቃላችሁ አሜሪካ ውስጥ የምትኖሩት እኔ አላውቅም በርግጥ እኔ ሽፍታ ሆኜ የዛሬ 6 ወር በተወለድኩበት ከተማ ታስሬ ሽፍታ ነኝ ተብዬ ተቀጥቅጫለሁ ለምን ኦሮሞ ስለሆንኩ ነው የተቀጠቀጥኩት የቀጠቀጠኝም ኦሮሞ ነው ሌላ ብሔረሰብ አይደለም የገደለኝም የሚገልም ኦሮሞ ነው ከዚህም በፊትም የትግራይ ባለስልጣን የበላይ ነው እንጂ ያደረጉት የበታቾቹ ናቸው እኛን ሲገሉ የነበሩት ሲቀጠቅጡንም የነበሩት እውነት መናገር ነው በአሁኑ ጊዜ የሚያዋጣ እኔ ሁሉ ጊዜ የምናገረው ነገር መቼ ነው የብሔር ብሔረሰቦች ፖለቲካ ተቀይሮ አንድ ሆኖ ጀዋርም ቢሆን ሌላ ብሔረሰብም ቢሆኑ መቼ ነው ተነጋግሮ ህዝቡ ፊት ለፊት ህዝባችንን ምንም የማያውቅ ህዝብ አሳምኖ ወደፊት የሚገፉት ለጀዋር ነው ጥያቄ አንድ ይሄ ነው ሁለተኛ እዚህ ከተማ በተለይ አሉላ ያውቃል በጣም አዝናለሁ እኔ ለጥቅም ብሎ ብሔር ብሔረሰብን ወደፊት መግፋት የሚችሉ ለእውነት ወደፊት መግፋት የሚችሉት ለጥቅም ብሎ ሌላ ብሔርን ወደዛ አድርጎ የገዳውን ግሩፕ ደግፈው የገዳውን ግሩፕ እስከ መቼ ድረስ ነው የገዳውን ግሩፕ ሰው የሚደግፈው አንድ ይሄ ነው ሁለተኛ ደግሞ ኦኬ ይቻላል nan fidan nan fidan ኦኬ nan fidadha እሺ እሺ ዲፍ እዚህ ጋር የምለው ገዳው ግሩፕ ኢትዮጵያ ሲሆን ተገዳው ግሩፕ እኛ ኦሮሞ ሸኔ ነን። አዎ ሸኔ ነን። አምኔ መውሰድ አለብኝ እያንዳንድ እኔ ከአሜሪካ ሄጄ ሸኔ ሆኜ ነው የታሰርኩት። ሸኔ አይደለሁም ግን ኦሮሞ ነኝ። አሉላም ብሄድ ሌላ ግሩፕ ሆኖ ነው የሚታሰረው። ከአማራም ሌላ ግሩፕ ብሄድ ልክ እንደዛው ነው። መቼ ነው የኢትዮጵያ ፖለቲካ የሚቀየረው ምለው ጀዋርን ለጀዋር ያለኝ ጥያቄ ነው።
Thank you. Okay, with all respect, አሁን ከሁለት ደቂቃ በተአምር አንድ ሰከንድ አላሳልፍም። እሺ ቴንክ ዩ። ቢቻላችሁ ቶሎ ቶሎ ጨርሱት።
እሺ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። እኔ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ ይህን እድል ስለሰጠኸኝ። ጥያቄ ሁለት ጥያቄ ነው ያለኝ። አንደኛው ጀዋር እንደተናገርከው ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ የትኛውም አካባቢ ላይ ሰላም እንደሌለ ተናግረሃል። እናም ደግሞ ያለው መንግስት በሴኩሪቲ ደረጃ ህዝቡን መጠበቅ እንደማይችል አስረግጠ ነግረናል። እኛም የምናውቀው ነው። እኔም በተወለድኩበት ባደግኩበት አካባቢ ያለውን ነገር አውቃለሁ በደንብ። ግን ምን እንድነው ልጠይቅ የፈለግኩት በፊት ወያኔ ስልጣን ላይ በነበረበት ጊዜ በሴኩሪቲ በጣም ስትሮንግ ነበር። በጣም ስትሮንግ በነበረበትም ታይም ታግለን ያን ለውጥ እንዲመጣ አድርገናል። አሁን ያለው መንግስት ግን ምንም አይነት አቋም እንደሌለው አዲስ አበባ ላይ ብቻ እንደፈለገ እያሳየ ሾው እያደረገ የሚኖር መንግስት እንደሆነ ሁላችንም እናውቃለን። ስለዚህ ያለውን አሁን ላይ ያለውን መንግስት ለመጣል ለምንድን ነው ትግል መጀመር ያልፈለግከው? ለምንድን ነው ጀስት በሰላማዊ መንገድ ብቻ እንድንታገል የፈለግከው የሚለውን ጥያቄ ነው መጠየቅ የፈለግኩት። ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ ደግሞ ብሔር ብሔረሰቦች አሁን ያላቸው ነገር ሁሉም በሚባል ደረጃ ችግር ውስጥ ናቸው። አማራም ሆነ ኦሮሞም ትግራይም አብዛኛው የኢትዮጵያ ክፍል ችግር ውስጥ ነው ያለው። ሁሉም ትግል ውስጥ ገብቷል። ሁሉም በየጫካ ገብቶ እየታገለ ነው። ለምንድን ነው ያንን ትግል ውስጥ ያሉትን ህዝብ አዋቅረ ወደ አንድነት መጥተው በሰላማዊ ትግልም ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም ደግሞ በጦርነትም ሊሆን ይችላል። ጦርነት አላምንም እኔ በበኩሌ አላምንም። በሰላማዊ ታግለን ይህን መንግስት ማውረድ እንችላለን ብዬ አምናለሁ። ስለዚህ ለምንድን ነው ይህንን ህዝብ ወደ አንድነት አምጥተ ትልቅ አጀንዳ ይዘ መጥተ ለምንድን ነው አንድ አድርገን ወደ ትግሉ ማታስገባን? ይሄ ነው ለአንተ ያለኝ ጥያቄ። ቴንክ ዩ።
Hello, I just want to keep it short. I was wondering, like, how do you think peace can be achieved? Is that like overthrowing the government or whatever way that you think is necessary, since peace is the answer in all of this?
Gaafii tokko qabaa galatooma carraa naa kennuu keessaniif gaafiin kiyya yeroo jijjiiramni dhufetti namoonni baay'een waggaa piroosesii qabsoo waggaa 2014 haga 2018 keessa turetti keessattuu naannoo Oromiyaatitti yeroo mormiin turetti namoota hedduutu
guddaan ingisiifadhu keessaa obbo Jawaar yeroo hundaa wanna uummanni kun barbaadu osoo hin taane kan dubbatan dhugaa jirtu lafa kaa'ani. Dhugaan jiru immoo ni beekamaa jechuudha. Nutti toluu baatee dhugaa jiru nutti hima. Akkuma beekamu inni lammataa yeroo sooshaal miidiyaa irratti yeroo fayyadamtan akkuma beekamu kaleessa dura xaa'oon biyyatti rabsamaa jira jedhanii bifa sooshaal miidiyaatiin ani yeroo baay'een hordofaa baay'ee saffisuma dhiifama gaafachiifanii jechuun mootummaan kun akka sobaa ta'e ifatti nutti agarsiisaa jiru kallattiidhaan. Inni biraa yeroo tokko konkolaataan biyyi tun ittiin deemaa jirtu qarqara irra geessee jirti. Lukni lama seenee lukni lama duubatti deebi'ee jira jedhee sirriitti ibsee ture. Konkolaataan sun har'a duubatti deebite moo qilee sanitti seentee jirti kan jedhu gaafadhaa galatooma.
Thank you. The last question.
Hi, I want to say thank you for coming. Very appreciative of the book you've written. Unfortunately, it's not in English yet, so I'm not able to read it. But once it comes out, I'll be sure to definitely get a copy. At one point in time, I was the Oromo Youth Association Washington, D.C. president, and I constantly came into our diaspora constantly conforming to different cultures and different communities. While you won't be able to get rid of conforming in general, how do you suggest we have our own identity here in the US? Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Galatoma. Gafi Dr. Baharu Rain Kasa. I think one of the questions is there any position you took that you regret? Or position or decision? Are there decisions that I made did I make mistakes? Yes, I made a lot of mistakes. But do I regret them? No. Because I did it one with pure heart, and I did it after carefully evaluating. If you look at the conclusion part of the book where I reflect overall, what I wanted to do in the book is put things the way I thought at that point, whether I was in high school, in university, or during the struggle. Then in the conclusion, I try to look back on it. What did I do? Before writing the book, I was kept in Comunicado for about, I think, 2-3 months. During that time, I had an ample opportunity, because the day is long and boring, to look back and watch my life, my decisions, my actions, my speeches in my head. And during this journey, I've made a lot of mistakes. I paid heavy price. I've clashed with a number of people, a number of groups. My conclusion was, yes, there were mistakes. Yes, there was things I said. Probably I could have said it better if I was young, as Yared was saying, if I was a bit older. But given the resources available to me, given the opportunities that were there, I was always weighing my options. Right? I believe if there is 10% chance of succeeding in something, I like to explore it. Also, one jani jiro Oromo biratti. Also, ni betani. Also, bamsisu da kalaniti. Also, billa guddan kalle mamal jan. And also njibba. Yeroo tokko tokko wanni tokko chancing successful ta'uu isaa percentii xiqqaa ta'e illee osoo jiraate gara fuulduraa deemee osoon gara san deeme jechuu waan hin barbaanneef I want to explore those options. So there are positions probably if the resources that are available to me today, when I say knowledge, networks, influences I have today, I could have probably chosen a different path. But given that time, I really don't see anything that I regret. I don't even see anything that I could have done really, really different when it comes to a strategic level. The second question was how much of your positions are informed by president? President? No, I understood it. I understood it. I understood it. Let me explain my decision process, my thought process. Say I wanted to do certain thing. I go back to my training. I try to assess the field, the political situation, the community situation, the different situations of my side and my opponent's side. I try to make that as fact-based as possible. But we call politics political science. It's not really science. I don't know what you studied, but it's not really the hard science you can do in library. Social sciences, we add science to it to compete with the doctors and the engineers. But at the end of the day, it's an assumption. You use as much fact as possible, even that fact would be disputed. After I assess that, then I weigh my options. I also weigh my opponent's options. Then I make a decision. That's why I say I don't regret, because I almost always spend significant time thinking, and writing, then reading again, then I move. Would my assessment be wrong? Yeah. Could it be lead to undesired outcome? Yeah. But for me, the most important is I don't want to miss the step, the process. Based on that, in politics, I studied Oromo history, Ethiopian history. I study global politics. I base my decision based on that. In the book, you can see, for example, gaafa hiriira barattoota godhaa turre dargaggoota wajjin. I don't know if you guys understand. Remember, child was, I think, a baby. Who was there? Abdi was there, Bona probably. We had this rally in Minnesota. We had a rally here in DC during IOIA. We became popular. So we organized this 10,000 man march in Minnesota. A lot of people came. And I had a cold. My voice was not there. A lot of people came, and when I came on the stage, by then I've become popular. I was on Paltalk, I was writing, and also a lot of people were cheering. And I saw hope in people's eye, and I got terrified because I was not prepared. I quit activism. I left the youth organization. I went to Oxford. I spent 6 months studying medieval Ethiopian history. That's when I read Kabranagast, Patanagast, all that. Because today's political thought, conversation, narrative in Ethiopia are highly influenced by what happened in the second half of the millennium, the second millennium. So I try to explore as much as possible. Yes, it's influenced by global politics. Even now, for example, the threats and opportunities we have today are different from that back in the day. Let alone during your time, even during my time, if you take the global and regional stuff. Regionally, back in the day, during OLF days, or during TPLF or APLF days, you can run to Somalia and Sudan and wage armed struggle. Right? Today, Sudan is no more, Somalia is no more. Even the Arab countries are no more. Back in the day, it was the Cold War. Right? You have the two superpowers competing. One side supports you, the other one fights you. Today, we have one superpower in decline, another superpower coming, but it has not reached yet. So that affects us. But this has also created an opportunity for middle powers. Who would have thought the Emirates, Turkey, Qatar would become such a decisive, if you ask me, 8 years ago, that Emirates would be a decisive factor in Ethiopian domestic politics, I would have called you crazy because they already didn't exist. So I try to base my decisions on past and present as much as possible. Jaarsi ebbaan kallachaa ka dubbate ebbaan kallachaan dulloomu numa dulloomsa gaafii fi walolooni waan gaarii kaafte ebbaa kallachaa qabsoon tun zama mangistuu Niwaay sanirraa kaatee kanaafin tirees godha. Akkaataan itti gaafiin ka'u adda haa ta'u malee dargaggoonni biyya sanii bara sanirraa kaasanii walqixxummaan dimokiraasiin akka dhufuuf aarsaan kafalame guddaadha. Keessattuu dhaloota kiyyaa fi ijoolleen booda wanni himuu barbaadu dhakaa irratti hin magarree nu barra. Dhiiga namarra magarree. Qabsoon nuti halkan tokko kaafneef hin jiru. Sochii mangistuu girmaameen sun asii baratanii girmaameen asii baratee paartikulaarii ideoloogii ture inni asii deebi'ee kaase. Santuu booda sochii barattootaa kaase. Sochii barattootaatu abaa of TPLF kana dhalche. Kanaatu federaalizimii fide. Federaalizimiitu qubee dhaloota dhalche. Dhaloota qubee dhalche. Dhaloota qubeetitu jijjiiran fide. So all this time I think barbaachisaadha. Dubbiin biraa waan jaarsi kun jee rabbi jedhaa dhagayaa. Oromoon olaantummaas gadaantummaas hin barbaadu. This should be our slogan. Nuti waan aadaan keenya afaan keenya cunqurfameef waan biyyi keenya qeen teenya saamamteef qabsoo seenne walqixxummaadhaaf we fought for fairness, for equality, for equity, for justice. Bara tokko murni Amaara keessaa ba'e afaan Amaaraa dubbata nu cunqursaa ture irra qabsoo. Itti aansee murni Tigraay keessaa ba'e maka dargaggoota Tigree dhiiga dargaggoota Tigreetiin dhufee aangoo qabatee nu cunqursaa ture irra qabsoo. Har'a immoo ka dhiiga keenyaan ol ba'e nullee cunqurseet ormallee cunqursa. That's why we must say not in my name. Oromotti amantaa dhagaa. If you really value the sacrifice our people paid over the last 50, 60 years, if you believe that sacrifice was for a just cause, if you believe it's for equality, freedom, and justice, do not tolerate, do not allow anybody to oppress, to kill others in your name. No. አንድ ወንድሜ ቅድም የሆነ ጥያቄ አንስቷል። እዚህ የሆነ ነገር ሲናገር ነበር። በኃይለ ሥላሴ ጊዜ ወንበዴ እየተባለ ስንገደል ነበር። በደርግ ጊዜ ሰርጎ እየተባለ እንገደል፣ በወያኔ ጊዜ አሸባሪ፣ ዛሬ ደግሞ ሸኔ እያልን እንገደላለን። እኛ ብቻ ግን አይደለንም። ትግራይን ጁንታ ብለው ነው የጨረሱት። ዛሬ አማራን ፋኖ ብለው እየጨረሱት ነው። we must say injustice even to our worst adversary should not be tolerated. እነዚህ ስሞች dehumanization ነው. You know the 4Ds I always talk about. You dehumanize people. namummaa irraa mulqita dura. namummaa irraa milqitee gaafa faannoo ta'e seexana ta'a, gaafa shanee ta'e seexana ta'a, gaafa juuntaa ta'e seexana ta'a. እስቲ ስንቶቻችሁ ናችሁ ጌታቸው ረዳ ጁንታ በሚል ጌታቸው ረዳ ሰው መሆኑ ቀርቶ ሰይጣን እኮ የመሰለው ማት ሰው ነበረ። a cool guy we know እንዴ it is ዛሬም ቢሆን it is very important በስልጣን ላይ ያሉ ኃይሎች እኔም ልሁን ማንም ይሁን ስልጣን ላይ ያለ ሰው አንድም ቡድን ፈርጆ ወደ ማጥቃት ሲሄድ ለምን አሁን የጀመርኩት አንዱ የጀመርኩበት ዘመቻ አዝማሚያውን ነው። from 20 አብይ በእኛ ደም ስልጣን ላይ መጣ። 2018 2019 he was hardcore ኦሮሞ ናሽናሊስት። ሲያየው ንጉስ ሊሆን የሚፈቅድለት የፖለቲካ አስተሳሰብም የለም። ተግዳዳሪ ደግሞ በዛበት ኦሮሞ ካምፕ ውስጥ እንደ ድርጅት ኦነግ አለ፣ ኦፌኮ አለ፣ እንደ ግለሰብ ነው ያለው፣ ለማ አለ። he switched ኢትዮጵያ እየዘፈነ የአማራ ወንድሞቻችንን አሰልፎ እኛን መታ፣ ቀጥሎ ትግራይን መታ። አሁን ደግሞ ሃርድኮር ኦሮሞ ናሽናሊስት ራሱን አስመስሎ አማራን መምታት ይፈልጋል። ኖ እኛና አማራ ልዩነት አለን። yes እኛና የትግራይ ልሂቃን ታግለናል፣ ተዋግተናል። yes but we fought to create a more just, more equal society እንጂ በእኛ ስም አንድ ማህበረሰብ እንዲጨቆን አይደለም። ይሄ ስል በማንኛውም ስም የሚንቀሳቀሰው ኃይል የሚያስከፋ የሚያናድድ ወይም አደገኛ የሆነ አካሄድ የለውም ማለት አይደለም። but it is a state that has become a breeding ground of extremism እና ወኒ አመጃርሲጄ ሽማግሌ ምንድን ነው ያለው? እኛ የበላይነትም የበታችነትም አንፈልግም እንደ ኦሮሞ ነው ያለው። እንደ ኦሮሞ የበላይነትም የበታችነትም መጨቆንም መጨቆንም ጨጠንክሮም ላልቶም አንፈልገውም። እኩልነትና ፍትሃዊነትን ነው የምንፈልገው። that's why Oromos should be the loudest voice against Abiy. Loudest voice.